Few warriors live to retire. By my Nufo teaches stillness. I prefer action.
Enjoyed that, didn't you, creature?
Yes.
Every hunt is a new lesson.
Food. Feel that? Yeah, that's the ultra protein.
Whatever you want from me, it's not what you'll get.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist... Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
Reward the peaceful? Use that for the good of all. Your aura guided me what you needed.
I would spar with you, but this leg... Oof. And when you carry my weapon, I fight alongside you. Use it well. Make me proud.
I hunt monsters, not people. But for you, I'll make an exception.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. Bravery without strength is a sword without a blade.
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back. Hey, that's okay. It's been nice talking to you.
I've studied for this. I can win. I followed all the instructions.
Heat up. Both.
Whatever doesn't kill me makes me angry.
I'm a people person, and sometimes I sell stuff. Now, if that doesn't work out for you, come back for a refund.
Don't hurt them, creature.
No promises.
Go ahead. Underestimate me. It makes this more fun. Defeat does not defeat me.
I mean no one harm, but harm keeps happening. You were right to strike me. I am a danger to
The Bazaar is a good teacher.
There are a lot of steps in this staircase, but it's beautiful up there.
Friend. I mean, a customer. I get it. You're busy. Enjoy your purchase.
I'm finished with fighting. But I enjoy the thrill of battle. Well, you can.
I must warn you, I am more than I appear.
You remind me of someone I fought last century. Every failed experiment lights the path to success.
Any good fights lately? Oh, I do miss it. Go make some more stories, then come back and tell me.
This world has strange folk, strange ways. And I'm learning all of them.
You have picnic. Kyver, eat! Sting ground! Sting sky! Sting world!
I love this company. I love the infern. You came all the way here. Might as well stock up.
There is a power in me I can't control. Be careful.
My people believe in peace. Boring! Well, I'll admit, that was impressive.
Seagate is a fine place to retire, but I do miss the spotlight. Now go out there and be a star!
Man gets stronger. Finally.
When you're ready, I'll send you to Orlin. But I'll keep you as long as I can.
In its deep ruins, their power waits. Thank you.
Little sentient slub shops. So I opened one. Your coins are like dust in my palm. But thank you. I would give it for free, but Tiny Andy says that's wrong.
Something sleeps within me. Don't wake it up.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. Bring her about! I've got another salvo in me.
Are tools weapons? Well, that's up to you. Not the DIY type. Huh. Guess you could always pay for repair.
Don't touch the piles. Everything is organized.
That's what I'm afraid of.
The way of the needle is clear. Straight inch to the left, nothing. An inch to the right, everything.
Every spike in the bazaar got a little of me! I'm an every pepper! You'll taste me again!
If you wake up the creature, what happens next is on you.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
You may be too young to remember my fit. Confidence goes a long way.
Monster. Yes, and only monsters. Amazing they pay me for this. They can't deal with such weak beasts.
Reuse, recycle, relax. Warms my rusty circuits to see that find a home. Hooey! Now that's a bargain.
Some hunters lay traps. I like to face my prey.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? I can see you're going places, but I'll be chasing you.
Hunt goes this well. Might be too much meat.
gifted creature.
Oh, hello. Welcome to my business. I can feel my leaves falling.
My battle days are over, but my weapons crave more. I hope you live long enough to reconsider.
Let's get those dents hammered out.
My work is for the glory of Sir Master. So, tell someone.
If I knock you down quickly, you might be safe.
I don't boast for myself. The fire softens or it strengthens. Remember that.
I'm getting closer to the answers. Sketching a map in my mind.
Sometimes I remember all those pretty people and fancy parties. And I try not to throw up.
Who sold you those weapons? I must know!
There in the Outlands. 38 years, 20 planets, thousands of kills. And I'm still learning. I've been tracking you across the Outlands. Your scent is strong.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabarians. Well, I guess motivation isn't everything.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation. Every item finds its buyer. It's a relation.
The moon is pure. I cannot let you taint her with your chaos.
We are Moon Dwellers. This is our home.
Stronger now than the prime of my youth. Or have I even reached it?
Why does Nufu set himself apart? All wisdom has power, but not all power has wisdom.
You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
If the creature takes over, run. I've hurt a lot of people in my life. That's a few more